Everyone's talking about how AI is going to take over all of our jobs, but what about the trades? Some say that all jobs, no matter the industry, will become obsolete. Others argue that the skilled trades are immune to AI, serving as a safe haven of sorts, and therefore will not be impacted. The truth is, AI is already impacting the skilled trades. House Call Pro reports, 40% of home services pros are already using AI for admin tasks like scheduling, quoting, and customer communication. But jobs in unpredictable environments are tough for robots and AI to handle. Axios calls it the dynamic physical environment problem, and that's the trades in a nutshell. The World Economic Forum estimates installation, maintenance, and construction jobs face only a 4 to 6% automation risk. For comparison, legal, admin, and architecture roles face a 37 to 46% risk. AI will change the nature of work in the next decade, and the skilled trades are not immune to this impact. The World Economic Forum predicts 85 million jobs will be displaced by the end of 2025, but also 97 million new jobs will be created, many in tech-enabled trades. For tradespeople, that means more connected tools, AI-assisted diagnostics, and wearable guidance systems. AI anxiety is driving some young people into the trades, but that isn't the only reason we see an expansion of this generation leaning into hands-on work. Gen Z is questioning four-year degrees and looking for stable, debt-free careers. Many aim to start their own businesses that allow them to create with their hands, and AI can help them reduce startup and administrative costs, provided they are skilled in its use. Between now and 2030, here's what to expect. Artificial intelligence will improve at project planning, estimating, and diagnostics, reducing the time skilled tradespeople spend on repetitive administrative tasks. Job site safety systems will warn you about hazards before you see them, and wearable tech will guide new workers step by step through complex tasks and shorten the learning curve for new entrants into the trades. AI won't replace welders in the next 5 years, it'll make the best ones even better. Learn the tools, adapt, and keep building because the future still needs you. Kilroy's Workshop, in partnership with the Association of Independent Trade Schools, or AITS, is preparing young people for a future in the skilled trades. And part of that means looking at the impact of generative and agentic AI in the trades. We are hosting an AI deep dive for the trades. Join us November 22nd, 2025. Visit the link on the page for more information and to register.